SAP and Sapphire are one of those events where I get energized with exchange of insights and possibilities to network that spark new possibilities. Tech Mahindra has industrial heritage and manufacturing DNA through Mahindra Group. We get to drink our own Kool-Aid. We brew solutions in our labs, try them at scale with Mahindra Group before we take it to our clients. We take pride in building long-term partnerships and helping manufacturing companies build smart products from the smart factories and help them deliver the best client experience to their end clients and strengthen their services portfolio. And SAP plays a very important role and helps us accelerate the digital transformation journey for our manufacturing clients. We're all set to showcase our innovative offerings and demonstrate our success stories along with our customer champions on their digital transformation journeys with us. Join us at Sapphire 2023.